first, I'm going to wire wheel it all down, get the metal ready to weld. Alright, so now I got the area pretty well cleaned up. I am going to use some brake cleaner to try and degrease it a little bit. That is a big no-no with welding, but what I'm going to do to help alleviate the problems that you get, poisoning, I'm going to hit it with a torch and burn any of that off, as well as go to mild preheat to finish cleaning this. The old rusty hood makes a perfect workbench. I don't want this to be hot, I don't want to warp anything. This is cast, this is pressed on mild steel. Keep everything nice and flat and easy to work with. Just going to do little tiny build-up welds, come back with a file, cut down any excess, and we will call this good. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with that as far as the buildup goes. So let's go ahead and finish grinding the rest of this pretty well flush and try and recut it to match the teeth. Well, I picked up a little bit of porosity where I didn't lift up the arc to terminate quick enough in a few spots. But overall, I believe it filled up very nice, and the starter should have a lot less trouble catching. So, hope you all enjoyed that. Like, subscribe, and come back and see some more. We'll see you then.